This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 7468. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 1100. The chassis is a new 2019 Dodge 4500. It is 4-wheel drive. It has a liquid ride system. The engine is a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. The overall length is 26 feet 6 inches. Overall height is 111 inches and 1/2 inch. Headroom is 72. It is a Horton module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, a new wheel and siren, and wheel and speakers, state-of-the-art wheel and LED lights inside and out. It has a new trip light inverter and charger. It also has a new HVAC system. It is a new 2019 Ram 4500 4-wheel drive with 6.7 liter diesel engine, and it is a Horton remanufactured module. It features an alley arc moose bumper. It has all new diamond plate mud guards, corner guards, rub rails, and bumper. The body configuration is left front oxygen. It has a Zico lift with adjustable tank size. L number 2 houses the inverter and also the converter for the Striker power cot and power load system. 2 adjustable shelves. L number 3 has a storage compartment with heavily plated tub walls. It has a new diamond plate flip-up step. The overall height is 111.5 inches. And the unit has a kneeling feature, and it kneels over 6 inches, such that the height drops to under 106 and the load height is under 30. The interior configuration is left side action seat with forward action area, storage below the squad bench, behind and above. Forward action area has controls for oxygen, vacuum, and also a thermostat and fan speed switch. It has a 4-point restraint system both for the attendant seat and both action areas. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. Storage below. It is a Type 1 3/4 walk-through configuration. It has a new console. Area for radio mounting, beverages, and also documents. It has a lanyard for the air horn system. It has inside-outside access to the advanced life support compartment, area for a heart monitor, and storage above the squad bench. Action area controls are on the curb side. Also 4-point restraint, storage below the squad bench, and a clock in the back. Our number 2 has backboard storage and also adjustable shelving for additional storage. ALS cabinet just behind the curbside door. If you had questions or would like more information on a truck like number 7468, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.